So my name's Darius, and I work with Ascot Automotive Specialists. I am a service advisor here, so advising our clients on the roles that are needed for their vehicles in terms of repairs, estimates. A lot of our clients come in here, they have one problem that they're looking for, and that's the problem that they want fixed. We definitely are in the market of fixing that problem. And then if there's anything else in terms of stuff that we can see while we're in there and just notice, definitely advising the customers and letting them know that, like, hey, you know, while we were in there, we also noticed this, and it's definitely something that at least you should be aware of.
My name is Jeff Hales, and I am a mechanic. My dad was a mechanic, so I became a mechanic, and it's just very satisfying to be able to know you get a car in here that's broken and it goes out fixed. Please come in. We accept just about anything, and we appreciate working on cars for people, and it's been a great place to work all my life.